Namaste, Adab, Sat Sri Akal. Hello to all. I am Pushpendra from the channel of Codis Books. Hope you all are doing good. In this video, we are going to learn that how to define multiple image resources for responsive designs without using jQuery or CSS. Alright, so let's start. So guys, here you can see what I want to achieve. Alright, I want to display this image on tab view and want to display this image on mobile view, and the other one want to display by default. Alright, so you can use picture tag together with the src set attribute to make responsive image selection possible. Alright, the picture tag represents an image container. Alright, that allows developer to declare different image resources in order to adapt to the user agent's viewport size, screen pixel density, screen type, and other parameters used in responsive designs. Alright, so let me show you in live example. So guys, let's create the HTML by defining picture tag. Inside picture tag, I'm going to define image resources URL. So let me take a source tag, set image URL in this, and media on which viewport we want to display the image. Alright, src set tag, src set attribute to set image URL. You can write image here, image URL, and like you can see my images are in root folder, so I can write this. Okay, let's define another one. Second image URL. Alright. Now let's define default image. So guys, let me clear one thing. The picture tag itself doesn't display anything. You need to declare the default image as the value of the src attribute of the img tag. Alright, so let's define default image in img tag. So guys, let's take a look how it's displaying. So this is default image. Alright, so let's check. Okay, this one is coming on tab view and this one is coming for mobile view. Alright, you can see this is what we want to achieve. So guys, this is all for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you are watching for first time, then please don't forget to subscribe my channel